That's a stock Ford blower, yeah. How's it going?
How's it going?
Good. Alex, nice to meet you.
My name's Mike.
Oh, I love the car, man. I've seen it around here a few times.
Yeah, I'm actually driving it for the people that own it. But we're having a little drive-through there at the retirement
Oh, okay,
home.
okay.
Would you guys be interested in joining us?
Yeah, that's cool. Right now or when?
Yeah, it's supposed to start about 3 o'clock.
Okay, yeah, that's cool.
Just drive around 2 or 3 times.
Yeah.
They're going to bring the people out, let them see the cars.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, no, for sure. We're just gonna take some pictures and I'll meet you guys over there.
Okay.
Yeah, stick shift. The Z06 stick shift or what? All right, guys. So we're just taking a few pictures with the 5.0 and the Cobra, and a buddy. Oh, I don't even know this guy. He came up with the Z06 and he wants us to be part of a parade. So we're gonna join it and see what's popping. It's hot. We got the top down, and yeah, we're gonna just line up over there and see what happens. I don't know.
Right now, so it was supposed to kick off at 3.
Okay.
And other people didn't show up, evidently, that was supposed to come.
Okay.
But we're just kind of waiting for the ambulance.
That's perfect. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Manual Z06 right here. And we got an older car up there, just randomly popped up, manual. It's pretty clean. Huh? Oh, I know. And the Z06.
This is his. He's got a 29 Model A pickup,
No way.
and then a 51 Ford Crown Vic.
Oh, okay. Cool, cool. Love it. And especially the manual, because, you know, they never come manual anymore on the Z06s, especially the newer ones.
Yeah.
So it's cool to see that.
All the C8s, no more manual.
Yeah, no more. Gone for sure. The C7 was like the last one, I think, with the manuals at least.
I had a C6, C06.
Oh, okay.
And actually, I like the engine better in it.
Yeah.
The less horsepower, but I like the engine a lot better.
Okay, yeah. Is it a 7-liter or was it a
It was a 6, the 427.
Okay, yeah. I know those were crazy. Like, I know a lot of people like those cars because the motor is so good on those, the C6s.
And this one will run. This one will run, but you really got to push it hard.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't start running until 3,000 RPM. What have you done to your car?
Well, I had full exhaust, smaller pulley on the supercharger because it's supercharged, and I had plans to make 700, 800 horsepower with this one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I have a lined up a supercharger, just a better blower, and I have a fuel system and everything for this one, and so that's what I'm gonna do to that one. But right now it's pretty much stock, but I have all the parts ready for it to go. I didn't know how loud it was. Yes, sir. Just randomly popped up after doing a little shoot. We should have had more cars. We really could have gotten more cars if I known about it.
I know.
Okay, the 5.0 sounds really good. I miss the Cobra being loud. Okay, cool, for sure. Oh, my nigga's getting on it. Oh, shit. Oh, get on it, yo. I wish I could, but I can't. I'm breaking. He was going off. He's going ham. Oh my god, that sounds so good. Holy I've never heard the 5.0 like go like growl like that before. This car's been down for a while. I started modifying that one a little bit, and that one's very fast for just being all motor, like just 5.0. And this one's, you know, it's 2003, but if I get a different supercharger, it'll really, you know, make things a lot faster. What do you think, Yogi?
This is so random.
I know, hella random.
Was it loud, your car?
Dude, it's loud. It's hell. It sounds good though. It's not like nasty loud. It just sounds good.
All right, where's your
How far did you shift into third? Or you're just not pushing the clutch in all the way, that's why.
Maybe because this shit's
Yeah, I know how to do it. I know how to do it.
You might just go get.
Yeah, I banged out of it. That's a stock Ford blower, yeah. From factory.
Imagine that under the hood of a 40.
Oh, it's gonna be fast.
It really fills it up. Yeah.
This is crazy. Hey, I did not think this was gonna happen. Sorry, I'm trying to move away. God damn. Looks good though.